Okay, so I have replaced the blade on this. Currently cutting up a wheel. Yeah, it actually cuts really well. 3/4 inch blade. I think like 14 teeth per inch or something like that. Yeah, cuts pretty good. I'm breaking in the blade still, so got to go at slower speeds. It's much less noisy than before, so that's good. Let me turn the thing on. I know, messy workspace, messy mind. I can hear the comments now, and it's true. So, but yeah, so it sounds much better now. Once it gets over the rattling, I gotta get it on a better base. It's these two little, I don't even know if they're 4x4s, whatever they are. Make it rock pretty bad. If I turn the speed down or up significantly, it stops like being so quite so noisy. Here, let's get it back down to 20, which is where the speed I was cutting at. Seems like that 30 is just right at the vibration frequency, or whatever. May need to replace the belts or something, check tension and all that. Not 100% certain yet, but it's cutting pretty well, this new blade. One thing I don't think I captured well in the previous videos is just how grimy and nasty this machine was. I mean, this is a part I haven't cleaned yet. This is the work light that I'm going to mount back here, or under here, I think. Yeah, it mounts there. And this is, it's just a, I mean, this was like the state of the entire machine. This is exactly how this entire thing looked whenever I mean, it took me days to clean this thing. I know I'm not particularly like, I mean, I say days, it's days of like on and off again cleaning, but, you know, here and there. But this is just how nasty and grimy all of this was. So yeah, so though it's not a great paint job, it's good enough for keeping rust off of it and for making me not grossed out. I mean, like this just, ugh, gross. Just, ugh. Makes it much more pleasant to work with. I know I still got to clean it off. It's now becoming a receptacle of all the odds and ends that I use, as any flat surface in any shop does. But yeah, so it's this is going to be, I think I'm going to paint this yellow. It'll go well with the blue and the gray, I think. So yeah, here's going forward.